Well, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, you guys need to go check out Keeping It Dutch's channel. He has a video on there that shows that the proof is in the pudding. You guys know Cassie at Walker Farm Frame and I, we have a hunting challenge every year. And thanks to Dutch, I may win this year. The weather was terrible this weekend. He invited me out to come sit in the rain with him on his property. And lo and behold, Sunday evening, in not a downpour, a heavy downpour, but in a steady little rain, I'm sitting in the blind. It's loud from the rain hitting the blind. Can't hear anything coming, can't hear them walking, and the particular blind I was in kind of set like on a slope, and then the chair I was in, it was like a mesh bottom chair that sits real low, like set like the butt was like a foot from the ground. So I was kind of, it was awkward, it was hard to see out of, so I was kind of leaned up against the side in this funky position, just kind of. Really, I was playing 10-10 on my phone. You guys ever play? It's kind of like Tetris. And I'd look up every now and then, and I looked up, and I just see this rack coming through this little thicket. And he was about 10 yards away from the clearing. So I grabbed my gun real quick. I grabbed the rest, and I lined it up over there. And I stop him. He stops. He doesn't know where it came from this time, and he's kind of just looking around, and I cannot find him in the scope. It's fogged over a little bit from all the moisture in the air and all that stuff, and it was just like, I'm freaking out a little bit because he starts walking again. And then so I'm looking, I'm like, okay, where can I stop this buck at? And I see one gap that was about 2 foot wide between these trees before it went into another little thicket area with a lot of saplings and stuff, and he went up on the ridge, never to be seen again. So he's coming around working this way. I stop him, and while I'm looking in my scope, he is looking right into my scope. Like, he pinpointed me the second time I stopped him, and I was like, oh boy. I just, big old chocolate rack, and I'm like, okay, I gotta focus here. So I drop crosshairs down to his shoulder, squeeze it off, smoke goes everywhere, and I can see him kind of not running, but kind of trying to get away. And if you guys ever muzzleloader hunted, you get one shot and then you got to reload, right? So I'm frantically grabbing my stuff, trying to reload the gun, putting my powder in there, put my bullet in there, packing it in there, grabbing a primer. Of course, they're in this little package. You got to get one of those out, put it in there. I jump out of the blind. I take off running around the corner because it's kind of on the back side of this little brushy area. Last place I saw him. And I'm like, please be down, please be down. And he was down. So then I had to hike up well, first I went back and got the walkie-talkie. We had walkie-talkies. I thought my brother-in-law would be able to hear me because he was literally just the next on the other side of this ridge. But he never heard the shot, never heard anything. But he had his walkie-talkie on, but then mine died. So I hike up the hill, a long ways up the hill in the rain, and there's the fam. And I text Dutch. I said, hey, shot a big one. He said, pick her. It didn't happen. So I'm trying to send him a pick. It won't go through, not enough service. Finally, he just says, I'm coming. He said, if Bo says he shoots a big buck, he shoots a big buck. So he was on his way. I ran and got my brother-in-law, and you guys will see the rest on Dutch's video. He comes rolling up there, and yeah, it was a great hunt. It was a great time. So go tell Cassie at Walker Farm Fam, she better get busy hunting because we got one on the board here at Morehead Homestead. And big thanks to Dutch as well for having us out there. Alright guys, we'll catch up with you guys later on in the video. Bye. Alrighty guys, we're going to head out here. We're going to check on the goats. So when I came home earlier, one of them was out. Oh, we have a head stuck. Oh, always it's the same one every time. So I'm going to come out here, check on them, because when I got home from work today, I guess the kids whenever they fed Thor, maybe before school or whatever they did, they didn't redo this chain here, and Milkshake was out. Hey, Thor, buddy. Weren't you? Weren't you? You were out, weren't you? What's your friend doing over there? What's your brother doing, huh? What's he doing, Thorsky? Should we go get him out? Oh, oh. Whoa, buddy. This cool weather's got you awful rambunctious. Oh, let's let the chickens out. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Hold on. All right, where were we? So how did you, what have you been doing? Hey, no, don't you get that. Hey, 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 hey! Get off there, I'm busy. Stay away. No. Don't you do it. Hey, no, no! Get away. Oh, don't you knock that over. Don't you knock that over. There we go. There we go. You gotta quit doing that. You gotta quit doing that. Oh, oh, look. They both tried knocking it over. Uh-oh. What's up, ladies? What are you doing? Doing a little scratching? What was that? You a bucking bull? Are you a bucking bull? Huh? Frosty? What up, dude? Alrighty, I'm gonna do a little water, a little feeding. It's hard to do that because I can't set this camera down because of this guy right here. This guy, I don't think they know they're brothers. This guy keeps jumping up on me, and then they're trying to eat my microphone. They're trying to knock my camera over, all that stuff. So I'm going to set this. I'm going to set this outside of the fence here. What's up? We'll catch up with you guys later on in the video. Okay, guys, we got a serious problem here. You guys can see there's no water anywhere in the driveway, any of these holes from the rain. But I just walked right here and look at this. It is soaking wet. And what this is, the water line comes from there, runs right here, and then goes across to my mom's place. So at this T right here, or something, it sprung a leak. I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna look at the meter. So good thing I just happened to walk by there. I don't know how long it's been like that, but we're gonna go down here to the meter. I'm gonna see if it's still spinning. We got all the water shut off everywhere. So if it is, you guys know what that means. It means we got a problem. All right, well, we made it here to the meter. Lift that up. Pop that up. And it's a counting, so that's not good. All right, I don't know if I can turn this off. Oh, I gotta go get a crescent wrench, turn that off, and then start digging, I guess. It's not what I wanted to do today. All right, guys, this video just took a massive turn. This was supposed to be a good video, a fun video. You know, talking about my deer hunt, sending you guys over to Dutchess to watch it if you haven't seen it yet. And now it's turned into we have a leak on our main line going into our house. So, time to switch out the Hokas and get the muck boots on, looks like. There's some deer just took off running right across the road over there. I wonder if they're gonna come this way or not. Sometimes they run through our yard. We'll see if we can. I don't know. Alrighty, so I'm going to, you guys can hear that. I'm going to start digging right here, because this is pretty much where it goes straight across. I'm hoping it's at this T right here, and it'll be easy to find, because if not, I don't know. I'm gonna start digging. But before I forget, Saturday, Hunter's in the Super Bowl for his football conference, and I'm debating. I may go live. I may see if Derek wants to go live on his channel to broadcast it. Not sure, but if you guys are interested in it, let me know, and keep up with my community page on Moorhead Homestead, and I will announce there which channel we'll live stream it on. But we'll probably live stream his game. It'll be Saturday morning, November 4th at 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time. So we're going to try to do that. I know some of you guys are interested. Some of you guys love watching the reels on YouTube, or on Facebook, I should say. So we're going to try that, and yeah, I'm going to get digging. Alright guys, we'll see you when I find this leak. I found it, but I look like is that Sandman on Spider-Man or something? I don't know. The Mud Man. Anyways, I found it. It's at that T right there, and then it goes straight across to my mom's house. So looks like it's leaking out of the incoming side of that T and shooting back this way. So at least I know now. I'm gonna try to it'll be tomorrow. It's so late in the day now. It'll be tomorrow before I'll be able to get anything. So at least I know where it's at, and I can jump on this first thing in the morning. Alrighty guys, well, it is the next morning. See my little excavation area here I got going on here. I found it. It took a lot of digging, but I don't know if you can see that T right there at the top of the screen is broken right there, and it's shooting water out. So I went to Lock Supply. I got some more fittings. I think I'm gonna have to dig out a little bit more this way in order to get it, but at least I need to dig out from underneath it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. No turning back now. You'll see all that's broke right there, and then even on this side It's chipped out. It's not in very good shape. So, yeah. Hey, look who showed up to help.
Hey, what's going on?
It's good because I needed his long arms to get down in that hole because I couldn't reach far enough down in there and have enough leverage to put that shark bite on there. So
Yeah.
good thing he showed up.
Yeah, I'm not much of a plumber. I just know payday's on Friday and poop don't go uphill.
That's true. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set this camera up. I'm going to run down there and turn it on. And, well, just see if there's any leaks. Well, we finally have water, I think. It came at a cost, but
Yeah.
the mud puddle down there is not showing any signs of water dripping. We kind of had to do a little, I don't know what you'd call that, but
Made it a brass farm down in there.
it's a brass farm down there, don't
Yeah.
Yeah, so
You're out here metal detecting. Don't think it's.
it's not, it's it's not
pressure.
any treasure. It's
Yeah.
just a
Well,
water
I mean,
line.
it really is treasure.
It is. Those couplings are $19 each, so there's $100 down there. But not to mention this roll of 20-foot 1-inch pecs that they only sell in 20-foot lengths. So.
Yeah, and you needed.
And I needed
Yeah.
about 10 inches of it, so there's that. But thank Derek for coming over and helping me. That's not the reason he really came over.
No.
So you guys need to check out the next video that we're about to do, and you guys will see why he came over. And also, he has agreed to live stream the Super Bowl tomorrow at 10 a.m. Central Time. So there'll be an iCard, one of those corners, to his channel. Go subscribe to him and be ready for the live stream of the Super Bowl tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Hopefully my football commentation's good. I don't know.
We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, God bless.